I believe I have cut all the color off of my hair. So today, we will be coloring our hair with a Beijing rinse.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice.
Now, don't get it twisted. I love the gray that's coming around the front of my hair, but it's only around the front and a few specks, in here. So I am going to use this to turn my hair black, and it's only temporary and it's easy for it to lift off of my hair. So as my hair turn white and more of it turn white, and I am ready to just wear it white, yes, then I'm going to keep on putting this on my hair until it turns all white like I would like it. Y'all, I have a little product on my hair. So what I'm going to do is do a quick wash. Y'all know this is filtered water, right? Filtered water. Y'all know I use this to wash my hair and to wash my face and stuff. So we're just going to wash our hair real quick.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every.
So I have me some filtered water here. Just going to rinse out my hair and I'll be back.
I feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we?
I'm going to leave my color on for a while, y'all. What I like to do is put my little thing around my neck first. All right, this is a semi-permanent hair color by Beijing, and the color is natural black, all right? And if I wanted to, I didn't have to put this color on my gray. I could have just avoided my gray. I sure could have. Just colored the rest. And just colored the rest, black. But I want y'all to see. So if y'all thinking about doing this, I want y'all to see what it's going to do to my gray hair. How easy it's going to lift up. Yes, I like this color because this allowed me to wear a color on my hair without damaging my hair. Also, depending on how you wear your hair, you get like 6 to 8 washes before it washes completely out. And this is the reason why I think it's perfect for anyone who's trying to transition from gray to black or from black to gray, because you get 6 washes. Now, me, I use a lot of moisturizing products on my hair. So this color will come out more because I keep my hair more so wet and with moisturizer on it, like the activators and things. So keep that in mind. Now, what I like to do, I don't have to do this, but let me show you. This is toilet tissue. Because this is going to be on my hair for a while, y'all. It is. I want to leave it on here for as long as I can. This is a rinse. You can sit under the dryer if you want, and if you don't want, you can do what I do. Just let it be on your hair. This will help this band keep it from, going on your face. Put this cap on my head, y'all. All right, guys, so the time right now is 5:15. I will be back when this is rinsed off my hair completely. Remember, you do not have to wash or rinse off. You just rinse it off completely, and then we will see how our hair is looking. Now, this is another thing that I like about the rinse. There is no rush to wash this rinse out of your hair. So I went and got me a snack. I went and got my blow drying bag, and I watched me some TV all while having this on my hair. All right, guys, so this time it is different because the time right now is 8 o'clock. We had this on our hair for a minute, since 5:15. So if y'all want to know where I got this bag from, y'all gonna have to go over there to my other channel, Regina's Way. I forgot I even had it. So this made it different. All right, so here I have my filtered water, and only thing I am going to do is continuously pour this water over my hair until the water runs clear. You do not have to wash this rinse out. This rinse is not going to damage your hair. Like I said before, this is Beijing Natural Black, okay? And it's already pre-mixed. Whew. All right, y'all. Well, that is my system of how I rinse out my hair and everything, and I absolutely love it. I am not going to change that system at all because I feel the difference in how my hair feels. All right, guys, so since our hair is done and this is what the color look like, we put a Beijing semi-permanent rinse in our hair, and every time you wash your hair, this will come out of your hair. So for me, it'll be like 6 washes. But since we left it in so long, we're going to see how much longer it will last. So I did not put a conditioner on my hair. What I am going to put on is a leave-in hydrating moisturizing conditioner. Now this conditioner is by Cream of Nature. It's an argan oil. It's 100% organic argan oil in it. And it strengthens and shines hair. And it's a leave-in. So they want you to shake it up. I shake up everything anyway, guys. By now, I hope you have hit that subscribe button and, left a comment, and don't forget to share and hype these videos, guys. So, okay, so it's good and mixed up. And why I chose to do a leave-in conditioner when I do my rinses is because every time you wash your hair, that color is going to come out a little bit more. And you know what? I'm going to tell you, this is all I'm going to put on my hair tonight. This is all I am going to put on it. My hair feels soft. It feels so soft. It feels so soft. And if I had a cut in my hair, y'all, I'm going to tell y'all right now, I would wear my hair just like this if I had a cut in it. Would it lined up on the sides and everything? Yes, I would. Yes, I would. Okay, so we have the conditioner on our hair. It feels really nice. It feels really soft. I'm not going to put anything else on it other than that conditioner. Guys, everything is looking good. I am just going to let that dry on my hair. After it dries, I will be putting on a satin bonnet. I got it right here. Got my little satin bonnet right here. All right, guys, well, that is it for me tonight. I am on my way in here and go to bed when my hair dries. Yes, I am. Now, if this video has helped you in any way, do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Leave in the comment section down below anything that I did not address that you want to know, and y'all already know that I am going to answer you back. Also, guys, I have another channel. It is called Regina's Way. Over there, we find sales, decorate our home. We do supplements, fashion shows, decorate. Everything else that I love to do is over there on Regina's Way. So go over there, show your girl some love, comment, like, subscribe, and share on that channel as well. And be looking out for episode number 3. I'll see you in the next one.